Today we're going to apply a dual tone lighting effect using Lightroom Mobile. First, select a photo that utilizes a split lighting effect, basically two light sources from either side of your figure. Then, apply your basic edits like cropping and light adjustments. Next, I'm going to ensure that my background is completely dark. My light sources are appearing inside the image, so to get rid of those, I'm going to use a selective edit. I'm going to use the brush tool, and I'm going to paint over everything except the figure. Be very careful not to get the figure in this selection. It looks red, but really this is just showing you what you have selected. If you need a more detailed selection, you can change your brush size with these tools to the left. Once you have your background selected, open your light panel. I'm going to lower the exposure. I'm going to remove all highlights, and I'm going to increase the blacks. Select Done. Now I'm going to add my dual tone color scheme. So think about your color harmonies, and this is basically the same effect you would get if you were using gels in your studio taking these pictures. So instead of the brush this time, I'm using a linear gradient. Select, drag in the direction, and I'm going to decrease the transition range. I want this lined up right with the shadow in the middle of my face, and if it starts to rotate on you, just grab the middle line. It allows you to rotate that linear path. Once you have that selected, open up color, and you can change the tint, and more importantly, the color. I need to move it over a little bit, and if this effect is not enough, if you click and hold, you can duplicate the linear gradient, and it's going to give you twice the effect. I like it less saturated, so I'm going to just go with 1. For the right side, we're going to repeat, select the plus sign, add another linear gradient from right to left. And we're just about done. Now, if you have an unnatural transition between your colors, like if there wasn't a dark shadow right through the middle, you could add another selective edit. This time I could use the radial gradient, and I could essentially lower the exposure in this area to give a more of a shadow appearance. So if I just lower the exposure, it's going to remove the area where those colors have an awkward transition. I was fine with mine, so I'm just going to hit cancel. Now to save this as a preset, so I can use it for my other images, I'm going to hit the 3 dots to the top right and select Create Preset. I'm going to title this Dual Tone and put it in my user preset group. Select the check mark. Now if I want to use this for other images, I can select the image I want to apply it to, go to my preset panel, down to user presets, and choose the one I've just created. Now I still have to get rid of the background, but it speeds up the process of using this color effect. So have fun.